Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick guess what's in the box video, aka bag video. Just a small little bag from Amazon. So please stick around, or not Amazon, I'm sorry, but eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so started picking up some items for the new 2000 4Runner limited 4x4. Some items showed up, and this is only one of two items that showed up. I have another package right there. Now, if you don't want to play the guess what it is, you don't really have to. I just do it because it's fun for me to record them. But it's a really small bag for this one, and that one's a large bag. I'm not really sure which one is which, to be honest. Measuring tape. So this bag right here is 8.5 inches long by 5 inches wide by 1.5 inches deep. Possibly there's going to be some other videos of guess what's in the bag videos or box videos. Might be of things for the SR5 that you guys are used to seeing on the channel, because I got her back from the tow yard and the insurance, and I started stripping a couple things off of her, but I didn't want to continually strip anything else off of her until I could do a video for you guys. Let you guys see what the damage looks like. But I plan on stripping the truck and replacing parts that need to be replaced. But the new vehicle that I purchased is not an exception to any kind of rule. She needs love and repairs as well, and there's nothing wrong with that as long as it's done right. But just quick video. There's the measurements. It's a little tiny bag. This one says actual somebody's name, so this is eBay. This other one over here says OEM parts, so that one's probably what I think it is, because it's an OEM part. All of these are OEM parts. They're just, some of them I bought used from somebody else. But I do appreciate you guys hanging around, checking out the video. This is a stereo that was out of my SR5, the navigation system. I took that out because it's a possibility that that's going to go into the limited until I have time to completely restore the SR5, and then I can put that one back in the SR5. I am looking at and bidding on another 8200 NEX navigation unit, which is what that is. So hopefully I win that. I'm at like 360 something right now, which isn't bad because most people are selling it for 750. So, cross your fingers. Hope I get it for under 750. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!